Welcome back. In order to let you understand the Flink core concept more clearly, in this lecture, I will explain a Flink job from the Java code to distributed to the cluster task slots. By the way, I will introduce more stream execution environment initialization approach. All right. And here, I create a simple Java code named word count socket stream lambda process .java. So actually, if we want running the Flink application on the local environment by developer purpose, we have to create the local environment by execution environment, stream execution environment, create local environment, right? And also, if we wanted let the Flink application submit to the remote cluster, such as the Flink standalone cluster or Hadoop and resource provider, we have to create the remote execution environment. Remote execution environment. But in generally, we chose let the Flink framework help us to automation detach the environment are running. So call the stream execution environment, get execution environment method is a good choice. But this approach have a problem. We could not access the job manager web UI and the locally. So at here, let me show you how to create the local environment with the job manager web UI and the development environment. Okay. First, we have to introduce another dependency into our project POM file and here. The artifactor ID named Flink runtime web. Okay. Then we can call the create a local environment with web UI and specify the configuration. Okay. Returns the environment. Okay, pretty cool. Let me continue to implement our source code. First, we will define the source operator by socket text string right here, and specify the TCP point. Okay. Call the flat map operator, and we just flat map the line to individual words and here. String line collector output is also a string. Oh, sorry. Variable name collector import Apache Flink utils package, and here raise stream line split by white space, and for each emit individual word to downstream. Right. Don't forget to specify the type of information at here. Types string. Okay. And call the map operator. Let the individual word convert to tuple 2. Okay. Word tuple 2 of word 1L. Okay. Don't forget to specify the type of information because we use the Java lambda expression. Types string, types long. Okay, cool. In order to statistics or count the each word, first we need to key by word. Key by. Specifying the key selector F0 and call the aggregation function or apply the aggregation function at here. Some one that is word count. Sync the computation result to the console. Okay, and finally, we can call the env execute. Let our application running. Okay, let me running this application. As you can see, our application is running and open the browser to access the job manager by localhost address. We no need to deploy this application into Flink cluster anymore. As you can see, the application is running. A running job list is right, and click the Flink job, Flink stream job. We can see the this job current distributed job graph. Okay. Because my computer has 8 CPU cores totally, if we not specify the application maximal parallelism, the default values are computer CPU cores. Okay. And you can see the socket task stream operator I convert to the single task named socket a source socket stream parallelism is 1. Right. Due to some special settings, the parallelism of the socket task stream operator always 1. In future, I will give you more explanation. And the flat map operator and the map operator get together formed a brand new task. Meanwhile, this new task have the 8 subtasks because both flat map and map parallelism are 8. The operator get together due to the Flink operator chain mechanism. Also, in future, we will details explain such mechanism. The keybind, a sum, and a print operator get together to form another brand new task. Also, this task has 8 subtasks. Okay, let me input some test text and here. Hello, Flink and Java. The Flink is a great framework of big data ecosystem. Okay, as you can see, every output prefix a number that represents the sequence of CPU cores. So the maximal is 8, right? Okay. So hope you are more clearly about the Flink core concept and understand the Flink job redistributed and corresponding to the concept such as the operator, what is the task and the subtask, and how to distribute the task or subtask to the task slots. About the parallelism, I will give you more details introduction or explanation in future lecture. Okay, see you next lecture.